did you guys think of hitting a nuclear bomb at me? No. What? Alright, that's it. I am going to blast my ears along really loudly so I can make you cry. Alright, here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1.
The following is a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
And now look at me! Of course I'm crying too!
And whenever someone cries, and then Hal cries, I cry! And whenever someone cries, and then Hal cries, and then Daisy cries, I also cry.
That's what you get! Excuse me, Canada? Uh-oh! Oh my god, it's Quebec! And what on earth did you just do? I made your cat friends cry. What? Alright, that's it. You're coming with me. Quebec, don't take me anywhere. Too bad, let's go.